Okay, fresh rebuild. This thing is smoking. We're going to try and get to the bottom of it. Set the timing. That's all set properly. It's got a known good carburetor. It's got an electric fuel pump. I don't know where it is here. Right there. That's the fuel pump on it. And she smokes. She smokes like my Aunt Selma at the bingo hall. And I don't know why. It is a fresh rebuild. You know, I know it's possible that the piston rings are put in wrong, blah, 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 blah. It's possible that the rocker stud does not have any sealant on it. It's possible that this intake manifold gasket is actually leaking from the bottom in. But here's the thing, all of the spark plugs are fouled, all 8. So I have a hard time. I don't know. We're gonna tear into it tomorrow though, and we will get to the bottom of it. If you got any ideas, let me know.